Hi everybody, this is a Saturday night recording after a long day on my end, but just a few news to review today. This is a reminder that the Credential stealing Chrome extension has been reaching and targeting enterprise HR platforms, and you can see on this one that it has been targeting Workday, NetSuite, SAP, SuccessFactors, and stuff like that. And threat actors are now targeting the browser because this is the place where all the data goes through. Like with all the online application, all the stored credential, if you don't use a proper vault for your password, like a password manager like Bitwarden and stuff like that, you are exposed. And even though if you have a password manager and you have the automated field filling, then you are exposed as well, so you should not have that enabled. And just to show you, there is another one, malicious Ghostposter browser extension. It has been found on 840,000 installs already. So the threat actors are really targeting your browser. You can see a list of the name right here, following extension. As usual, I will put the link to the article in the description of this video, so you can actually check if you got this extension and got potentially impacted. So when this is installed, it is stealing your data, your credential, your tokens, and yeah, this is a bad one. Next thing in the news today, it's less cyber and more like tech news. OpenAI is going to show ads for people logged in the US on free and go plan. So there are two news in this one. First, you're going to get ads in the result of the ChatGPT interface, but you also going to have the go plan. And I have more about the go plan in this article from Blipping Computer right there. So this is a $8 a month subscription, which is quite interesting, I guess, if you need to use the tool. Be aware that when you use online LLMs and stuff like that, anything you put in it, you basically give away the data and it will be used by the platform to learn and build the model later on. So don't use that for confidential information, or don't use that if your organization do not allow the use, because you would actually breach the confidentiality and your contract with such an organization. So yeah, this one's interesting. $8 and you get 10 times more message, file uploads, and image creation. So that might be worth it if you're a creator, because when you use the platform to create content like I do for my YouTube pictures, it's going to end public, so it's not a big deal if that information goes out. Yeah, that's it for today. I wish you a great weekend and nice Saturday. I hope you have fun, and see you later. And don't forget, as usual, to subscribe, like, and share. This is well appreciated. I like to see a new subscriber on the channel. Thanks a lot. See you later.